Hey guys, welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and today on day 6 of Cookmas we are making shrimp and salmon Alfredo. So we are going to be starting off with cooking our pasta, and I'm using the chicken bouillon cube, but it's like powder, into the water just to give our pasta some flavor. Oh, and we are using rigatoni pasta today. So I forgot to press record when I was cooking my shrimp, but just season your salmon and your shrimp how you want it and cook it, kind of self-explanatory. So now we're going to use our pan that we were cooking our shrimp and our salmon, and we're going to throw in some butter, some olive oil, and some Trinity mix, a little bit of minced garlic in there, and we're going to cook that down just to get all the flavors marinating together. So after you've done that, you want to take about 3 or 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, because we're going to thicken it up. We're going to make our roux so our Alfredo sauce can be on the thicker side. And you want to cook that cornstarch down just a little bit, not too much. And we're going to go in with some chicken stock. And like I said, I'm just slowly incorporating that chicken stock so it won't have any clumps in it. And now you want to go in with some seasoning. I'm using Tony's Creole seasoning, Old Bay, garlic and onion powder, and a little bit of parsley for some color. So after you've added all your seasonings, I'm going in with some heavy whipping cream. And the heavy whipping cream is what's going to make our Alfredo sauce super creamy. And of course you want to taste it, adjust the seasoning if you need to. And then we are going to start adding our cheeses. I'm using Parmesan and my 4 cheese mix. And this is also freshly grated from the fresh cheese deli side of your grocery store. Now I'm going in with some of my salmon. I'm just breaking it up so you can get a piece of salmon in every bite. Now you just want to add in half of your shrimp, and we're going to use the other half to garnish our Alfredo. And don't forget your pasta while it's cooking. We're going to throw that back in, and we're just going to mix that up really well because we want the Alfredo sauce to be all up and through that pasta, okay? And I just wanted to get a little slow-mo shot of this pasta sauce coming together. Everything's coming together and it looks so good, y'all. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't add a little bit more cheese on top. Now I'm going in with some dried parsley. You can also do fresh parsley if you have it, but I didn't have it, so I just used the dried parsley. And as you can see, I am just placing my seafood that I have left over on top so it can be all pretty. And of course, we're not going to waste anything. We're going to pour that juice back on top of everything because we want all of that flavor and that seasoning. And now you're all done. This is what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed day 6 of Cookmas. please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more food content, and I will see you in my next video.